Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a dry, stable set of freeform starts and move fast into wetting, no pre-soak detangling beyond fingers. Wet the scalp and dreads thoroughly with lukewarm water so product moves through the core. Once soaked, mix a residue-free shampoo 1 to 3 with water and apply at the roots. This targets oil and grit without over-agitating the locks. Use your fingertips to massage the scalp, not the shafts, because agitation at roots releases buildup while keeping natural knotting intact. Once you have lather on the scalp, maintain steady, intentional motions, short circles with fingertips, so oils lift without fraying strands. Make sure to let water flush through each dread thoroughly. Lift and gently squeeze each lock so suds and detritus exit the core. If you feel residue or smell persists, repeat the diluted wash one more time. A second gentle cleanse ensures clarity without stripping moisture. After the final rinse, inspect the interior of larger dreads to confirm no trapped. You finish by removing excess water. Compress each dread gently and blot with a cotton towel or t-shirt, no rough rubbing. Then position yourself so air circulates around the roots and allow complete air dry, or use a low-heat diffuser briefly to speed the core drying. Make sure dreads are bone dry within 24–48 hours to avoid mildew. If you detect musty odor later, rewash with a diluted apple cider rinse and extend drying time. That fixes trapped moisture and neutralizes scent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.